Right. Listen up. In war, power outages and supply blocks can last months. Your corner shop? Forget it. Shelves will be empty before you blink. This isn't about fancy food. This is survival. You need real sustenance to keep you and your family alive. Don't be the fool left with nothing when disaster hits. As a dietitian and survival prep expert, I'll show you the best foods to store for 6 months to a year. No sugarcoating, just the facts. What to get, why you need it, and how to store it right. This is your wake-up call. Your life could depend on this. Pay attention and take notes. Let's build your wartime pantry. Now, chop chop. First up, oats. Packed with iron, last for ages, cook in minutes, your survival workhorse. White rice, not brown. Brown goes rancid. White rice, sealed right, lasts decades. It's your survival foundation. Pasta, calorie dense, easy to cook, cheap. It's the energy boost you'll need. Canned beans, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, packed with protein, ready to eat cold if needed. Dry lentils, cheap, light, last forever. A must-have portable protein source. Canned meats like tuna or chicken, instant protein, no cooking, pop the lid, fuel up, move on. Powders, like powdered eggs or protein powder, store for over a year. Lightweight, efficient protein, don't skip them. Peanut butter, shelf life up to 2 years. High in fat, protein and calories, energy in a jar. Ghee, no fridge needed, lasts a year. Stable, life-saving fat for cooking. Vacuum-packed nuts and seeds. Healthy fats, nutrients, snack smart, stay sharp. Vegetable or coconut oil. Essential for cooking and adding calories. Salt and spices. Don't eat bland for a year. Flavor boosts morale. Salt keeps electrolytes balanced. Multivitamins. Your diet won't be perfect. 1 a day fills the gaps, keeps you strong. Honey, natural sweetener, antimicrobial, lasts forever. Treat it like liquid gold. Don't waste a drop. Tea or instant coffee. Not just caffeine, comfort and sanity in a cup. Clean water, 4 liters per person per day. Stock at least 30 days worth. Without it, nothing else matters. These foods aren't just about staying full. They keep you strong, calm and ready. This isn't a camping trip. This is real-world resilience. Protect yourself and your loved ones. This food is your fuel, your medicine, your comfort. It's the difference between being a victim and a survivor. Whether it's war, blackout or disaster, these essentials save lives. Peace of mind is worth more than gold. You have the knowledge now. The responsibility is yours. Don't wait. Start building your pantry. The world won't wait for you to be ready. Subscribe for more no-nonsense